In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to upload the course contents and get it checked by a test user. To start with, log into the course and enter your username and enter your password and login. Second step, go to your course, and here in my case, it's intellectual property rights is my course, and now I need to upload the contents into the uh, second week one of the. So as mentioned here, we need to maintain a proper formatting from week 0 to the week 1 or week 2 week 3 till the end of the course, like a few important things like introduction to the topic, objectives of the topic, and outcome of the topic. It needs to be maintained very clearly. Okay, so that once you maintain this kind of a formatting, so that the student will not have any confusion from beginning to the end. Okay, the next step is to add any content into the system. What we need to do is to make the page as editable. To make this page editable, you need to click on turn editing on. Once you click on the turn editing on, this page is become editable. Now, this page I can start using it comfortably now. Now, after adding the basic details and header of this week, what we need to do is you need to click on the very important point called add an activity or the resource. If you click the added activity or the resource, initially the pop-up will show the basic default activities, and the bottom it will show the resources. And it is also advisable to see, and Moodle supports around 7 or 8 type of resources, starting from the book, file, folder, IMS content package, label, page, and of course the URL. One of the important point which I wish to bring to your kind attention is about the URL. What happens here, since this is a sample site which has only 200 MB of the space, so apart from learning how to use this Moodle for our classroom teaching, we also should know how to optimize the space so that and whatever data which can be uploaded could be used very efficiently and effectively. So as I already suggested to you, you should create a small Google Sheet file where all the details of the videos you created and or the videos available under Creative Commons need to be put into that format with the URLs and embedded code. For example, if I want to use one video, which is as an example, if I going to show you that, for example, I'm using YouTube, and here if I simply type, I need something on computer basic knowledge. So this is the video, for example, if I want to use it. So okay, just just pause the video and collect the URL of the video, copy, and come to your course, and you see here, select the URL part and click the add button. So it takes you to that URL page, adding a new URL to the week one introduction. The first thing is, first of all, copy that URL into the external URL slot, and in the first page, in the place of name, you should write down the the label of this video. I should say first video on IPR. Okay, and you can also mention the same in the description part also. And once you do these kind of activities, simply you can go and save. Either you can click on save and return to the course, or save and display. So what happens here now? A link has been created with that video which has been available there, and this is the reading material the teacher has provided for the learners to learn. So now, since you know it, this is a video, but there is a facility available in the Moodle. You can create or you can tag the respected resources into one component. So how do we do this? There is a facility called label. So click on add an activity or the resource once again, and you can just drag it down, and you find an option called label here under the resources. Select the label and click the add button. And since these are all the video lectures, oblique video tutorials, in the label box, I think we should mention uh, video lectures, and if needed, bold it. Okay, and once you create this and click on save and return to the course. Now what happened? A label by name video lectures has been created. So what we can do is we can move this video resource above this particular topic. Okay, or we can either you can use drag and drop, which is moving above this, and also using this alignment option, I can align this resource little right side, so that all these things can be nicely aligned into one place. So this is the procedure need to be adopted while uploading the content into a particular course.